Welcome to Stillwater Cove, the only lakefront community with half-acre home sites and where 3-car garages are already included here in Astatula, Florida. We're excited to show you these incredible home sites and home designs. Come on, let's get started. Here you will find amazing backyards waiting for you. There's plenty of room for a playset, patio, and even a future pool. Can you see yourself relaxing on your lanai and watching a seaplane land? Or imagine having friends over for a cookout and creating new memories in your new backyard? Beyond loving your community and backyard, you must love your home too. Here at Stillwater Cove, we offer traditional one-story homes featuring 3-car garages, paver driveways, and sodded lawns. Finding a home design that gives you the space that you need has never been easier. From the outside in, you get to add your own personal signature. Here at Miranda Homes, we know having space in the right place is very important, so we can give you what you envision. You get to visit our on-site design center to decide on details like granite or quartz countertops, ceramic flooring, and so much more. Home designs are up to 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and between 1,900 and 3,500 finished square feet. Home designs even have a flex space that can be an additional bedroom, home office, hangout space, or playroom. You can rest assured that we have what you are looking for. Stillwater Cove is just 45 minutes from downtown Orlando. Spend the days with the family and out-of-town guests exploring the theme parks, or head over to Wooten Park to cool off at the splash pads. For a special occasion or date night, downtown Tavares has popular options like puddle jumpers and the Tavares Doghouse. Children can attend Astatula Elementary School, Tavares Middle School, and Tavares High School. Life here sounds pretty amazing, right? Are you envisioning yourself living here? Be sure to take the next step and schedule your visit today. I'm so excited to welcome you home.